Welcome back, guys. I haven't posted in quite a long time. Yeah, a month. This month I just let's see. I'm pretty sure it's the V-Bucks giveaway one. Yeah, I'm still, I'm still gonna do that, guys. I really like the support right now. So, keep the support up, guys. Tell me if you like the intro. I'll honestly put it in my videos. Go follow me, as you can see here. You see here. Okay. Go follow me on it. It says Zach.Yeet. Go on. It's going private soon, guys. I'm just saying. I'm really thankful for all the support right now. I hit 15 subscribers 2 weeks ago. 5 subs. I'll show you my progress so far. Alright, be right back. Yep, I'm back, guys. As you can see right here, you can see I'm clicking on it. Oops. YouTube is so broken. Come on, go back, please. Oh, I'll be right back, guys, when this starts working. Let this load. Yep. Which time has went down, guys? But you know what? 83 views, 51% went. 51% went up. Last 28 days. Look, look. This is this is gonna be my new video, as you can see. Eisen Royale so bad. I'm so bad, guys. Eisen Royale, it's right here. Go on Roblox, search up Eisen Royale. Current subscribers 20. 10 plus in the last 29 days. But I'm really thankful for what you did, guys. This video is gonna be hit up in about a week. I have to edit it, and my face reveal's in it. So, better go watch it. Alright. Peace out, boys and girls. Whatever you are. For fuck's sake. Whatever you are. Alright. See ya.